out today for our original video idea of going to the park and messing with people in the tennis outfit. So we're gonna drive to West Virginia and get some fireworks. So that's what's going on now. Turns out Virginia doesn't sell any good fireworks. They sell sparklers and those little black snakes that do nothing. I was in North Carolina the other day and they actually don't sell good fireworks either. We were thinking about driving to Tennessee. I just so happened to Google like this firework place in West Virginia. It's like 2 hours. And turns out they sell the good ones. So that's what we're gonna go do. So we gotta make a pit stop. I kind of forgot all the GoPro accessories, and you never can have too much stuff for your GoPro. So they have instructions for when you come in here now. Greetings and welcome back. So we made it to West Virginia. We made it to the fireworks store. I told you it was just a storage container. Wow, it's beautiful. It's nice, I guess. Drove a long way to get here. They're smoking obviously. I believe it's going to be Hot Maverick.
What's it gonna be?
Hot Maverick.
Hot Maverick?
So we got the fireworks. They wouldn't let us film in there. It was kind of dumb. But spent $200. Kind of crazy. We're going now to we passed a place on the way here. It's Nana's Irish Pub. Definitely gonna hit that place up. But we're gonna blow up a mailbox. That's what that mailbox is for, I guess. We're gonna put the like one of my big fireworks. I got like mortars. We'll show you all when we get home. I'm gonna put one of those down in the mailbox and just blow that thing up. It's gonna be crazy. So me and Nick woke up this morning. We got two little packages to go get. We're not gonna say what they are yet. We'll let you guys see later on in the video. But we were like, you know what? Every once in a while, it's nice to wear a suit. That would be really funny if we go to pick up these packages in a suit. Like, I'm wearing like a full suit. Nick's got on like dress pants, dress shirt, dress shoes. It's gonna be pretty funny. I've even got my hair slicked back. My hair's too long. The barber's just opened back up here in Virginia because of the whole COVID-19 thing. I don't think I'm ever gonna get a cut. I'm just gonna let it keep growing. But we'll see it when we get to the place where we're picking these things up. All right, so we got the package. Nick, go ahead and show them what we got back there. Just a couple of baby goats. It's my dad's Father's Day present. That's what the suits were for. You had to be professional about buying these goats. You can't just go somewhere and not wear a suit to buy livestock. Because these aren't livestock because you eat livestock. These are just gonna be pets. You know, we got a fenced in area for like the dogs, so these goats are just gonna chill out there with the dogs, eat some grass, buy them some food. It's pretty cool though. I've never had goats before. Actually, we had goats when I was a kid. I don't remember what happened to them though. But these are tiny goats, like Nigerian dwarf goats. They don't get very big. It's 2 males. They've already been castrated. You know, people already got them their shots. They're surprisingly cheap too. Got these goats for $100 each. I mean, if you get on Craigslist and see goats for $100 each, are you not gonna buy them? Like, I couldn't pass that up. That was a deal. We're gonna drive to Bath County now, all the way to Burnsville. We'll see them when we get there.
I've already taught him how to talk. Is that not just the most adorable thing you have ever seen?
How do you do that?